Are you one of the following? Company owner, self-employed person, accountant? If so, keep watching. The big enemy for business people and self-employed people is probably time. A lot of people have a plan for the business, but they've no plan for themselves or their family. I suppose the problem is that they don't know where to start. Maybe you've got surplus cash in the business or surplus cash in your own personal resources, and again, don't really know what to do with the cash. Debt. Have you got debt? Have you got unsustainable debt? Have you made decisions on the debt? Have you really sat down with a professional and decided we need to have a strategy going forward on the debt? This is where financial planning can help. What is financial planning? Basically, we sit down with people and we ask them a lot of questions. We establish exactly how much assets they have, liabilities, cash, investments, pensions, have a look at all their expenses and all their sources of income. Particularly look at future expenses. That's really, really important because we're trying to find out, have we sufficient resources to cover future expenses. We look at goals and objectives, and this would be very, very important. What are the financial goals? Have you even looked at this before? Obviously, once we establish a financial plan, we review it every year. But goals and objectives can be a difficult one. It's a difficult one for a number of reasons. First one, I suppose, is fear. Never really thought about this before and don't really want to know if they don't have enough money. Second one, modesty. You know, it's a bit embarrassing, people saying to you, what are your financial goals? Number three, too busy living in the now. We're all working in our businesses, working on our businesses, and not really thinking about these sort of big decisions. And probably you've never been asked the question before. Real-time financial planning is the answer. Real-time financial planning is where you come into us, we give you the answers today in real time. We don't sit down with you and send you out a 42-page report a month later because people don't read these reports. So we have got involved in this financial planning for a number of years now, and I've helped a lot of people, mainly in the areas of retirement planning. Can they get out early? People think, I've got to retire at 65. We can demonstrate to them clearly that maybe they can get out earlier, they can retire earlier. You know, we help them build the income they need in order to retire earlier? You know, do they want a dream home? We'll try and keep them on track as well, but there's huge empowering information that we can give people when it comes to financial planning. As well, we can maximise opportunities with your accountant. Maybe retirement relief is an issue. Are you over 55? And that's a huge one. And then finally, you know, again, debt sustainable. Have you looked at that recently? What is the process? First of all, we get the relevant information. If you're disorganised, and most people are, you're in very, very good company, don't worry. We can make that easier for you. Financial planning, bring your spouse, really, really important. We always like to see both couple, husband and wife. It's state-of-the-art technology we're using. We're only one of 30 people in Ireland that have the voyant technology, and I think it's fair to say we bring it to a different level. We don't just sort of show people what they have. We find solutions to problems. We incorporate what-if scenarios with the financial planning. So we sit down and we put in what if you have to go into a retirement home? What if you have to downsize? What if you have to retire early because of disability? What if there's a death? We incorporate all these scenarios using the software in order to find solutions. But the big key is we give you the answers today. We don't wait 4 weeks and send you out a report. Fees, very, very important. We're not hiding behind fees. We're very upfront with people on fees. Fees is good for you because it means that we're not going to have to sell you anything. We're not selling anything here. Basically, the first consultation is at our expense. After that, we charge €150 an hour for working on your particular financial plan. Technology, as I said, is voyant. It's come in from America. It's only been used by about 30 professionals here in Ireland. We're very proud to say that we're one of them, and we believe we've brought it to a higher level than most people. Our offices here in Leeson Street are designed to facilitate the use of the software. You can see the systems that we use. So if you want more information on financial planning, have a look at the next video with my colleague Les Knott. Thank you very much.